Hello everybody, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to fit these. Now I showed you these on one of the videos I had around the more modifications I was going to do. I now got the L322 back. I'm going to pop these on. Now they shouldn't take too long, and I'm going to set the camera up. They're really two 10mm bolts, top, bottom. You need to pull the plastic cover off the bottom of the wing. So they're quite easy to do. When I replaced the vents on the side of the vehicle way back in November, they didn't take me long to do, so it should come off quite quickly. But let's see how we do it, and let's see whether these are better than the one that's already on there. So that's it. What did it take? 5 minutes? Less than that. So let's have a look. I think they're better. I think they're subtle. You can't see them from this angle. And I'll quickly show you. Now, you'll have to ignore the fact that this car is filthy. It definitely needs to get a wash. But from here you can't see them. And so I think they work. Now, they're not painted, color-coded to the body, because this is Borello black. So I've just got a can of Santorini black, which I had with the Defender, which was Santorini black. But I think once it's all washed, cleaned up, you generally can't see the Borello black unless the sun shines on it. It just looks black. But when the sun shines on it, you begin to see these sort of aubergine-y, speckledy red metallic in the paintwork. But I think these work. So these are not as glary as most people seem to think. Side on, normal, two side vents, and the only way you can see them, and the red, is that if you come at it from an angle. And even down this side of the vehicle, if I just work my way down, and from this side you can barely see them, and the only way you see them is when you get fairly close and you see them down this side. So individual preferences being what they are, likes, dislikes, I like these and they're staying. I actually think it gives the car a little bit more character, and they're not as loud as you might see, even though when they were painted they're recessed, you can't really see them. But if anybody wants a set of 2010 side grills with a red stripe on it, let me know. And with that, I'll see you on the next one. Cheers.